Hello again to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. And we say it again, welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we are on Naranjos 6 in a beautiful 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, and as you can see, we have a brilliant day today. We had about 24-25 degrees with reduced humidity, so it was really a great day today, and we are on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort today to present you another 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment close to the pool, south facing. Well, what else can I say? Well, let's just turn around. As you know, I always love to show the views first, and we're really opposite the pool. We have the pool entrance just somewhere over there, and it's more than walking distance. We have Darren as well over there sitting, and we are now entering this 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, which is Naranjos 481 on Naranjos 6. Naranjos 6 is, maybe as you know, one of the smallest gardens here on Naranjos, not to say in all the resort. And it's what we would call it a family garden, because this garden immediately has created a kind of a family atmosphere. Many owners here are meeting as well somewhere. They are arranging meetings here. So it's quite an active, cozy family garden, and we are selling today a family home. And I'm just showing you the front terrace. As you can see, we are still facing the pool over there. And this would be the terrace, nicely furnished here. There's a big awning on top. Well, a canopee to say, not an awning, just a canopy. And we have beautiful wooden furniture here. We have set up a little bit of a dining table, so you can imagine how this looks like. And as I said, we are south-facing, so this means that as of now, I would say there is hardly any sun on our main terrace here, as we can see, but we will see the sun soon on the back terrace. There we go. So, just let me walk into this property. We are using the main entrance today. Here we go. And, well, all the details for Condado. Now we have a security door here. The property is sold fully furnished as we see it today in our little virtual open house. And as you can see, it's perfectly furnished for holiday or for residential use even. The property is equipped with altogether 4 air-conditioned units. This looks like it's working, but it's obviously not working because not necessary. And is equipped with many mod cons, which I will show you now in our virtual open house today, presented by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Just giving you an idea how this looks like when you're here in your kitchen. The kitchen, as we said, is perfectly fitted with a massive fridge freezer, a dishwasher, oven hob extractor fan, microwave, and as we can see, what we don't see is the water filter. So as you know, purchasing a property through Quality Homes Costa Calida means that you get as well a free drinking water filter once you have purchased the property. This saves money and saves work, and saves as well loads of plastic bottles which we don't have to dispose of and which are therefore not need to be produced. There we go. So we are in the living room, and I'm just turning around now and I will show you the master bedroom. Here we go. This is now the master bedroom of the 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. It's on our webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. You do find this property under the reference 3601, and the asking price is only 86,900. We are on Naranjos 6, and as I said before regarding the sun, there is obviously, as we are south facing and the sun goes down in the west, we have no sun for the sundown, but on the other side we have a fantastic terrace here on the back. As you can see, it's also furnished, and this provides a beautiful sundown. The sun is just hiding here behind the tree, so it will go down somewhere over there. So we have breathtaking views overlooking the golf course here, and overlooking as well the green land we have here on site between Naranjos 6 and Naranjos 7. In case you have any question or you want to view something again, just drop us a note at the bottom of the screen, and me and my team will be happy to either answer your questions or to show you again something which I might have missed in my little tour. So we are here on the back terrace, as we said. We have a beautiful beautiful chairs and table here. As well, we find here the washing machine, which is brand new, A+++ category energy-wise, so really fantastic, which comes as well with the 4 air conditioning units, which we see here. The back terrace is also astroturfed, which is quite nice and gives quite a cozy atmosphere over here. Okay, so we have seen the views from the back terrace. We see here the Sierra Espuña. In the Sierra Espuña, you find a very, in the meantime, pretty prominent hotel, which is the Hotel Mariposa. They are also running all kind of activities up there, from kayaking and biking and quad and, well, you name it, we have it. Worthwhile looking out for Mariposa, sorry, not Espuña, Hotel Mariposa in the Sierra Espuña. There we go. Okay, having seen that, we are coming back to the master bedroom. And, well, as you see, still the same as we've just seen it. The second bedroom over here shows again 2 single beds, also bedside table and bedside table lamps. It shows as well our listing agent, but we won't show her now. No, we don't do this now. We are coming to the bathroom, fitted with a bathtub, with a glass shower screen, and all other necessary items for a bathroom. Don't need to mention, I think, them individually. So there we go, 1 bathroom. And we continue to the third bedroom of this 1 bathroom apartment. On our webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you find the pictures, a real virtual tour, and many more information under the reference 3601. When I'm talking about a real virtual tour, I just had a glance today at our competition's virtual tour, and sorry to say, but I couldn't stop laughing, because this is just a video and not a virtual 3D 360-degree virtual tour. So this was quite funny. Fine, we are back on the main terrace, and as you can see, this is just cozy here. Just sit down, maybe having breakfast, lunch or dinner. That's just the place to be. And obviously, most important is the proximity to the community pool. We're just opposite the community pool. The entrance is aside here, so that's quite a position, I would say. No? I mean, in real estate, it's all about location, they say. No? And in this case, it's really, it's all about location. So in this case, we have a top location on Naranjos 6. As you can see, I just try to show you a little bit how this looks from the outside. The funny thing is that the internet connection just stops somewhere here, so I try not to cross the red line, otherwise we have a similar issue as last week. So I try to stay within the reach of the Wi-Fi signal. Talking about Wi-Fi, as you maybe know, each property on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort has its own 100 megabit up and download internet connection. This means this is going through the glass fiber network, which has been installed over the last 1.5 years. And now they're nearly there. So I would say about 95% of the properties are already connected to the new high-speed glass fiber network. And this really makes a big difference. Because before we had a 10 megabit line, and this was nice but not enough when people want to work and stream and download and do many things at the same time. So with the 100 megabit, I think the properties are now proper equipped as well for home office. So for those ones of you thinking maybe spending part of your time in Spain in the sun, then this is possible. This is all part of the community fees which we are paying every month here for our properties. In this case, for this apartment, the community fees are around 110 euros per month and include, as we said, the 100 megabit internet connection, as well as about over 250 national and international TV channels. There is also a basic insurance included in the community fees, but we can only recommend to top this up with an individual insurance. We have just changed, the community has just changed from Caser to Allianz Insurance, and there is now a new insurance office on the Alcazar, just beside the Quality Homes Costa Calida office. You find now the new insurance office, and they are there Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday from 10 to 5. I'm sure they are happy when you come in and ask for a quote. So yes, that's what it is, and that's about the insurance. So there are quite some news about this, and I think and I hope that the service is even improving now after the last insurer we had. Is there any other news? Well, yes, you all know about the golf course. So we hear that the golf course will be opened in March 2022. And it all looks that it's going in this direction. So the owners also confirmed that they're still on time and everything going towards that the golf course will be back on track in March 2022. So this is also good news for the resort, I think, because obviously having a Jack Nicklaus signature course without being able to play is maybe not real fun. Okay, just let me do a quick run again through this property. We are on Naranjos 6 today in N481 in a virtual open house presented to you by QualityHomesCostaCalida.com. We are actually in the living room now of this 3-bed 1-bathroom apartment with reference 3601 on our dedicated webpage QualityHomesCostaCalida.com. The asking price is only 86,900 and the property comes sold as seen. Having seen the kitchen and the living room, we pass on again to the master bedroom. Here we go with the master bedroom. As we said, sold as seen. 4 air-conditioned units, so all bedrooms and the living room are fully air-conditioned, which is, I think, quite an asset as well, also cost-wise. And as we see here, there we go, we are now on the back terrace again, and I'm showing you the views of this great 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. Here we go, we talked about the Sierra Espuña, we talked about the Hotel Mariposa, which is, don't forget, Hotel Mariposa on Sierra Espuña. And, well, this would be the view for the sundown. So having here maybe a gin and tonic or a cup of tea, that's the spot to be. Okie doke, we continue. We have seen now the master bedroom. So let me just show you quickly. Not Rupert, no. I'm showing you now the second bedroom. And I'm showing you again now our listing agent Anna, who is working here away in the background to make sure that everything is working well with my virtual open house. Also looking forward to her holiday, because I hear that there's a holiday coming up. We won't say where you go. Short holiday, 10 days, so yeah, it could be worse. No? We are in the bathroom now, bathtub, glass shower screen, and we have a third bedroom here. This is a Tendel bed, so we have actually 2 beds in 1 bed as well. This room should be air conditioned, and there we go, this is the air conditioning. So all bedrooms and living room are fully air conditioned, and this property has the reference 3601 on our dedicated webpage QualityHomesCostaCalida.com, where you also find, as I said before, a decent virtual tour, a real 360-degree
virtual walkthrough.
Yes, and not just a silly video. Okay, that's what it is, because I'm doing here the silly videos. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you ever so much for joining us today in this beautiful 3-bed 1-bathroom apartment. We are on reference 3601 on Naranjos 6, the N481. Okay, so thanks for joining us today again, and looking forward to see you again next week, same time, same station, on Facebook, 5 p.m. CET, 4 p.m. in the Canaries and the UK. Take care, bye.